Hello everyone and welcome to the new session of the lecture series, and today we'll be discussing and solving the NCERT based multiple choice questions from the chapter The Living World. Alright, so we have already discussed some of the multiple choice questions in the previous lecture, and we'll be discussing the rest of the MCQs in this lecture. Okay, so let's start with the first question, which is which of the following shows the correct example of taxonomic category genus. Alright, so they are talking about the taxonomic category genus. Alright, now first let's understand what is taxonomic category. Alright, so taxonomic category can be defined as it is any rank, you can say, in the taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, it is the rank, or you can simply say it is the group of organisms, alright, that are grouped together, or you can say that are developed on the basis of their fundamental characteristic. On the basis of their unique characteristic, okay, fundamental characteristics as well as similarities also, okay. Similarities are also taken into account, okay. Similarities and dissimilarities also you can say, okay. So here we are talking about the taxonomic category genus. Okay, so lower most taxonomic category is species. Okay, then higher to species we have genus. Alright. Then we have the genus. Then we have the family, and it goes on till the kingdom. Alright. So here the first option is potato, tomato and brinjal. They are saying belong to the genus Solanum. Alright. Next is monkey, gorilla and gibbon are placed in Mammalia. Okay, so Mammalia is not a genus, but we are talking about the taxonomic category genus here. Again, third option is Solanum, Petunia and Datura are placed in Solanaceae. Okay, next option is Mangifera indica, which is mango. Then Solanum tuberosum, potato, and Panthera leo, this is lion, okay, are placed in Felis. Okay, so Felis is a genus name for cat, Felis catus. Okay, it is a genus or generic name of cat, Felis catus. Mangifera indica is mango. Solanum tuberosum is potato. Alright. So now coming back to the option A. So potato, what is the scientific name? Potato, scientific name is Solanum. So the genus is Solanum. Solanum tuberosum. Alright. Then tomato. What is the scientific name of tomato? It is again Solanum. It belongs to the genus Solanum lycopersicum. Then we have brinjal. Okay, brinjal is again Solanum melongena. Alright, so here you can see they all belong to what? Genus Solanum. Okay, so this is a name with two components. First is the generic name. This one is known as the generic name or the genus. It represents the genus, and this is the specific epithet. It represents the species. Alright. So what should be the correct answer? Option A is the correct answer. Alright. The next question is, taxa differs from taxon due to, options are higher taxonomic category, which is not correct. Lower taxonomic category than taxon, again not correct. Then plural of taxon. Alright, so this option is correct. And fourth option is singular of taxon. So this is again not correct. Alright, so taxon is what? It is singular. And the plural of taxon is taxa. So taxa is plural. Okay, many taxa form. Okay, many taxon forms are taxa. So it is plural. Alright. The next question is taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, so the question is about taxonomic hierarchy. What does taxonomic hierarchy refer to? So these are the options. Okay. Stepwise arrangement of all categories for classification of plants and animal. Alright. Or you can also say arrangement of the categories in the ascending or descending order. Okay. Which is stepwise. Okay. Is known as taxonomic hierarchy. So straight away you can see this option is correct. Now option B, a group of senior taxonomists who decide the nomenclature of plant and animal. This is not correct. Third option is a list of botanists or zoologists who have worked on taxonomy of a species or group. This is also not correct. Last option is classification of species based on fossil record. So this is also not true. Okay, so what should be the correct answer? It is a stepwise arrangement of all categories for classification of plants and animals. Alright. The next question is, as we grow from species to kingdom, okay, in a taxonomic hierarchy, again, what happens? Then they are saying the number of the common characteristic, alright, will decrease, it will increase, it will remain same, or may increase or decrease. Okay, so now let's talk about taxonomic hierarchy now. Definition, now you already know of taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, different categories are arranged in ascending or descending order. Okay, or you can say stepwise arrangement. So okay, let's start with the kingdom first. Kingdom is the highest taxon. Okay, or highest taxa, whatever. Then we have the phylum. Okay, in case of animals, we call it phylum. In case of plant, we call it as division. Then after phylum, what we have? Class. Then lowermost category, 2 classes, order. Then we have the family. Then genus. And finally, what we have? We have species. Okay, species is the lowermost taxon. Alright, so what happens? In the question they are asking, as we go from species to kingdom. Okay, from species, from here to kingdom. What will happen? Here, now kingdom includes, okay, lot of phylums. Alright, so if we take about example of kingdom Plantae or kingdom Animalia, whatever. Okay, kingdom Plantae, let's take. Okay, so this kingdom Plantae comprises of lot of phyla. Okay, it comprises of lot of phylum, means it is very diverse. Comprises of lot of phyla, okay, which belongs to what? Plants, different types of plants. Okay, so here it is very diverse. Okay, diverse organisms are included as we grow higher up the taxonomic hierarchy. All right. So as we, so species are what? Very specific. Here the specificity increases. All right. So what should be the answer? As we grow from species to kingdom. All right. What will happen? The number of common characteristics should decrease. All right. Because the kingdom is very diverse, whereas species is very specific. So as we go down, the number of common characteristic increases, but as we go up, what happens towards kingdom? The number of common character will decrease. The next question is, here we have to identify the correct sequence of taxonomic categories. All right. So again, these are the options A, B, and C, and D. So I've already done the taxonomic hierarchy. So according to taxonomic hierarchy, first we have the species, then genus. Alright, you can see here species, genus, family, then we have the order. Okay, then we have the class, which is higher category than order. Then higher to class we have phylum. Okay, or division in case of plants. And then what we have? We have the kingdom. Alright, so what should be the correct answer? Option D. Other are not correct. Species, genus, order, class, and family not correct. This is also not correct. Alright, this is also not correct. So what is the correct answer? Option D is the correct answer. The next question is the taxonomic unit phylum. Okay, so they are talking about the phylum in the classification of animals is equivalent to which hierarchical level in classification of plants. Alright, this also we have already discussed. Okay, we call it phylum in the case of what? In case of animals. Okay, and division in case of plants. This is the only difference. Okay, so what should be the answer? Options are class, order, division, and family. So what should be the answer? Option C is the answer. The next question is, which of the following characters given below display the description of lowermost taxonomic category of organism in the plant and the animal kingdom? Okay, from these options, we have to, mark the statement which display the description of lowermost taxonomic. Which is the lowermost taxonomic group? Species. Species is the lowermost taxonomic group. Alright. So first option is includes one or more than or one order. Not correct. It is a group containing one or more families. Again, not correct. Okay. Now, next option is it is a group of related organisms that resemble one another. Alright. So we will talk about this. And option D is it is a group of organisms that are closely related, they are saying. Okay, group of organisms that are closely related and share similar characteristic. Alright, so these points are little bit similar, option C and option D. So what should be the correct answer from them? Again, coming back to question, option C. So here they are saying difference is this, related organism. Okay. So species is always a group of related organisms that resemble each other. Okay, all the members of the organism will resemble each other. Okay, whereas in this group, they are saying it is a group of organisms that are closely related. Okay, means they don't resemble, but they are closely related and share similar characteristic. But this is not always true. Okay, because different species can also okay, can also be closely related. All right. Okay, and can have similar characters also, means like similar feeding habit, okay, or similar niche they can share. Okay, similar environment, similar habitat also they can share. They can share similar kind of food also. Okay, so that's why this statement is not correct. So what is the correct answer? Option C is the correct answer. The next question is, which one of the following animals is correctly matched with its particular named taxonomic categories? Alright, so here they have given this category. Okay, this is taxonomic category. And what was taxonomic category? A rank or a group of individuals that are grouped together or developed together on the basis of their characteristic similarities and dissimilarities. Alright, the first option is, they are saying tiger have the species tigris. Okay, what is the scientific name of tiger? It is Panthera tigris. Alright, we should underline this if we are not italicizing it. Okay, so this option is correct. Tigris is the species. Okay, so this option is correct. Second is cuttlefish mollusk, a class. Again, not correct. Okay, humans, primata. Again, this is not correct. Primata, the family they are saying. Alright. Now, housefly. Housefly they are saying is musca. It is full, okay. It is Musca domestica is the scientific name of housefly. So Musca is the generic name, domestica is the species name or the specific epithet. Okay, this is genus, but not order. This represents genus and it is a generic epithet, you can say, or the generic name. So Musca is not an order, okay, it is a genus. Okay, so the correct option is A. Okay. Now next question is, which one of the following organism is not correctly matched? Okay, so you can circle is this not correctly matched with its particular. Okay, human beings. Okay, sapiens and species. So what is the scientific name of humans? It is Homo sapiens. Sapiens is what? Sapiens denotes the species. Alright. Then lion. So this is correct. Lion is Panthera leo. Okay. Lion is Panthera leo. Okay. Panthera is a genus. Okay. So this is also correct. Now cats, Felidae, genus they are saying. Okay, and last option is Datura solanaceae, family. So this is also correct. Cats, what is the scientific name? Felis catus. Alright, this is the genus. Okay, or you can say represents the genus. Catus represents the species. Alright, so we have to select the option which is not correct. So what should be the answer? Option C is the correct answer here. The next question is, which of the following taxonomic category of housefly, okay, Musca domestica, is incorrectly matched? Genus Musca, this is correct. Musca domestica. Family Mucidae. Okay, then we have the order Primata. Okay, and then we have the class Insecta. Okay, so this is also correct. So what should be the answer here? Option C is the answer here. Primata is not an order. Primates is the family. Okay, and what does it include? Usually includes apes and monkeys. Alright. This option is correct. Musca is a genus of the housefly. Family, it belongs to family Mucidae. Okay, it belongs to the class Insecta. So this is not related to, it is not related to housefly. Okay. Now next question is, families are characterized on which of the following features of plant species? Alright, the first option is external morphology, second is anatomy of plants, third is vegetative and reproductive parts, fourth option is season similarity of and variation. Okay, so now again, this is a straightforward question. Okay, the answer to this question is option C. The families are characterized, okay, on the basis of vegetative and reproductive parts. Okay. Plants have vegetative and reproductive phase. In reproductive phase, what happens? There is flowering and all. Okay, flowers. There is reproductive organ formation. Okay, and finally, there is seed formation. Okay, vegetative phase, you will look at the morphology of the stem, roots, leaves. Alright, so here the correct answer is option C. Now next question is, which of the following statement is incorrect? Okay, incorrect statement we have to list. Now first is, the scientific name for humans is Homo sapiens. So this is correct. Next question, next option is, organism placed in the same genus are least closely related, they are saying. Okay, we'll talk about this later. Then option C, moving from species to kingdom. More different species are included in each higher category. Alright, this is also true. Then species that are in the same genus share very specific characteristics. So this is also true, but here we have to select a statement which is incorrect. So option B should be the answer. Organism placed in the same genus are, okay, here this least is wrong. Are least closely related. It should be are closely related. Okay, so that's why this option is not correct, and this, otherwise this is the correct answer for question 12. The next question is a taxonomic category again. So they are asking the definition of taxonomic category. Alright, so again I've already told you it is a rank in the taxonomic hierarchy, or you can say it is a group of organisms. Also, it is a unit. Okay, taxonomic category is also known as unit. So options are basic unit of classification. Second option is a rank or level in taxonomic category. Then we have a group of related organism able to interbreed. Not correct. Okay, this can be species. This can be definition of a species. Now fourth option is group of related organism but unable to interbreed. So this is also not correct. So what should be the correct answer? A rank or level in a taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, I've already told you category is a rank. Okay, rank you can also say synonym is level. Okay, it is a rank in the taxonomic hierarchy. Okay, so option B is correct. The next question is ascending or descending arrangement. Ascending or descending arrangement of taxonomic categories is called. Okay, first option is classification, then we have taxonomy, then third option is hierarchy, and fourth option is the taxonomic key. Okay, so this is also a straightforward answer. Okay, classification, what is the, if we talk about classification, what is classification? Classification is ordering of the taxonomic categories. Okay, ordering of the taxonomic categories. This is known as classification. And what is taxonomy? Taxonomy includes the identification. Okay, and then the nomenclature. Okay, and what does it include? Classification as well. Okay, so option A and B are not correct. So what should be the correct answer? Hierarchy. Hierarchy is the correct answer. The next question is, which of the following statement is not correct? Again, okay. So the options are: biodiversity is the occurrence of variety of life forms differing in morphology, anatomy, and habitats and habit. Okay. Now, if we talk about the definition of biodiversity, it is the variety of life forms present on the earth. Okay, with different morphology, and so this option is correct. Second option is systemic is the branch of biology that deals with organism into categories that can be named, remembered, compared, and studied. Okay. Okay, we'll come back to this option. Third option is none of these, and then we have fourth option. Classification is the branch of biology that deals with the principle and procedure of identification, nomenclature of organism. So here we have to select the statement which is not correct. Okay. So option D is the correct answer. Okay, option D. Classification is the branch of biology that deals with the principles, procedure of identification and nomenclature of organism. Alright, so this is the incorrect statements. So this was the end of this session. We will start with rest of the question in the next session. Thank you very much.